stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock in the list is ITC. If you see the daily chart of ITC is currently in free fall. And talking about today's session, ITC went up, and due to profit booking and extreme selling pressure, it closed at its daily low, which means that in tomorrow's session, if we see any price movement below the current market price of 172, you can see ITC getting closer to levels of 165. You can also draw a support line over here. So I expect this level to be achieved in tomorrow's session. Let's see what happens. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Ambuja Cement. Just look at this particular stock. After breaking the trend line, I will draw a much better trend line over here, and this should be the target. So after achieving the target, Ambuja Cement is trying to go up, and I expect that momentum to continue. In tomorrow's session, you could very well see a retracement to the higher levels. We'll go to an hourly chart to understand why I think so. See over here, I will draw it out for you. This is the structure. It made a high, it failed to touch the low. Again, it went past the previous high. Again, it struggled to touch the low. And in today's session, it is trying to go up. So this should be the level to watch out for. The level is 20, not 20, it's 211. So if Ambuja Cement goes above 211, and you can see it is touching the levels of 220, around that. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Cadila Healthcare. With respect to Cadila Healthcare, you can see this particular zone over here, or the level. Just see, it went up and then it struggled to even touch the low, which means that the selling pressure is slowly but steadily subsiding. So in tomorrow's session, I expect this retracement to come into the play, and Cadila Healthcare starts making new highs. Just see, this is the current level, and this is where it is finding support. So I think this should be the really nice target, which is around 395. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Adani Enterprise. Adani Enterprise has been trading inside this stronger bullish candle. It is struggling to go down. At the same time, it has shown glimpses of touching its previous high. In tomorrow's session, I expect Adani Enterprise to go up and at least touch these small levels over here. The reason for that is we have to go to an hourly chart to understand this pattern. See, this is where all the action is happening. So this happens to be a support level, which was a resistance level beforehand, and Adani Enterprise has not touched this level multiple times. So this is not a weaker level. In fact, it's a stronger support level. So this should be a easy trade. Take buying at the low and selling at high. If you want to know all the exact price levels for tomorrow's stock, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.